Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to bake the 100% no fail eggless butter cookies with my Philips digital air fryer, and with the same cookie dough I'm going to show you how to make jam infused butter cookies too. Friends, if you want to know how to use an air fryer, please watch my previous video where I have shared the complete demo of the product. I have given the link in the description box, and if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploads. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. For making butter cookies, take 100 grams of unsalted butter. The butter should be soft but should never be in running consistency. When you press the butter with your finger, it should leave an impression like this. The consistency of the butter is very important to get the perfect dough for the cookies. Now transfer the butter into a mixing bowl. To this add 60 grams of powdered sugar. This weight is after powdering the sugar. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon should be added along with this. Beat over a slow to medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Never beat it over a high speed and don't overbeat also. Now take another mixing bowl and place a sieve over it and add 1¼ cup of Maida, followed by 1½ tablespoons of milk powder, quarter teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Sieve it well and keep aside. Now incorporate the dry ingredients into the beaten butter sugar mixture in 2 or 3 batches, and mix well using your hand because we require a dough consistency, and hence the dough has to be kneaded with your hand slowly to get that perfect texture. The dough should not be too soft or too hard or crumbly. You should be able to shape the dough into balls, and at the same time the dough should not be dry also. Now I'm trying to shape into a ball, but you can see some air cracks are there and the dough is slightly dry, so I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of room temperature milk and knead it again. Now the dough has attained its perfect consistency to shape into balls. Now I'm using 1 tablespoon of measuring spoon to get the same sized balls. Flatten the ball. You can see there are no air cracks and the flattened ball is smooth. You can make about 6 cookies each time in this air fryer. Switch on the air fryer and remove the pan. And I'm not using parchment paper or butter paper here because I tried these cookies using parchment paper, but the cookies remained white at the bottom but the top was properly browned. So I'm not going to use parchment paper. Now arrange the cookies one by one into the basket. Never grease the basket with oil or butter, otherwise the cookies will spread in the air fryer, and leave enough space between each cookie. Now attach the basket into the pan and slide into the air fryer. As we switch on, the control panel light glows and we need to select the baking option, and hence keep on pressing the menu button until the baking option gets selected this way. The cupcake symbol is the baking menu. Now the preset temperature is 180 degrees centigrade and the preset time is 13 minutes. But since this is a tried and tested recipe, 10 minutes baking time would give you the perfect cookies. So bake these cookies at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Now it's done. You can see the cookies have been beautifully and perfectly brown, and I'm getting an amazing aroma from these freshly baked yummy cookies. You will get the perfect texture only when they attain the room temperature. You can see the bottom of the cookies have been browned perfectly, so both top and bottom have the same color. And those beautiful designs at the bottom of the cookies, the impressions created by the basket of the air fryer. So the cookies were quite crunchy but not hard, and the taste was absolutely delectable and what we want. Now with the rest of the dough, we can make some jam cookies. For this, take 2 tablespoons of mixed fruit jam in a mixing bowl and using a whisk it thoroughly for about some 5 to 7 seconds and keep aside. Now make balls out of the dough, but don't flatten the balls. You can see a smooth ball. Now dip your finger into a bowl of maida and make a deep hole in the dough ball and place it aside. Just do the same way as how I am doing. Now do the same with the rest of the dough and keep them aside. Now take a piping bag and place it into a glass like this and pour the jam into the piping bag this way. This is the beaten jam, the one which we had whisked. You have to pour the jam into this and cut the edge of the piping bag and fill the jam into the cookies. Do it very slowly and gently, this way. You can use any jam of your choice. It's not necessarily, I have used mixed fruit jam. You can use any jam of your choice. Definitely kids will love these type of cookies. Now arrange them into the basket and air fry them at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Leave enough space in between each and every cookie because the cookies will expand. So you need space between each and every cookie. Now 180 degrees, 10 minutes, the same cookie dough. So this is a variation that we are doing. Now there you go, yummalicious and beautiful jam cookies have been freshly baked to perfection. Cool them to room temperature and consume to get that perfect texture. Friends, please try these cookies. I'm sure you will experience the best baking time and you will surely fall in love with the texture and taste of these cookies. Friends, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like and share it with your family and friends. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my new uploads. See you in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.